I call my mother-in-law Auntie Jenny, and over the years, Auntie Jenny and I have truly bonded over our love of cooking. So one thing I've been trying to do is learn to make all of her signature dishes so that we will always have them with us. So I asked my husband, which of your mom's dishes do you most want me to learn? And without hesitation, he said beef and tomato stir fry or fan kei ngao yok fan. It's a popular Cantonese dish with hundreds of recipes on the internet that I could look up, but I wanted her recipe, which of course she didn't have written down. So I had to go to her house, watch her make it, ask a lot of questions, and finally I was able to recreate a version that received my husband's stamp of approval. It's a simple beef stir fry with lots of fresh tomatoes and classic Chinese aromatics, but the sauce is made mostly of ketchup, which is why kids love this dish. Auntie Jenny always served it with rice and with fried eggs on top. Beef and tomatoes are both umami-rich ingredients, and the two together just make this dish so satisfying. It's an easy and kid-friendly dish, which is why Auntie Jenny turned to it so regularly. She was a working mom with 3 kids to feed, plus frequent extended family drop-ins, so quick and easy was exactly what she needed. And I am so thrilled that we've been able to preserve it for our family.